crazy.
YouTube, let's get it. Back with another vid, YouTube. It's your boy Big Gap. And today, baby, we will be unboxing my new ramps. I think they call RCJUMPs, JUMPANT, whatever. I'm gonna put the link in the description. I can't remember it right now, and I'm doing a video, so I don't want to have to go back and look. So let's get it, man. Let's get into it, man. Get the box open. I'm gonna pull these wraps out. These wraps are made for 14 to 16 scale. For just one ramp, it's 14 to 16 scale trucks. So they had a combo with two ramps for $69. I'm gonna put the link in the description. They had a combo for two ramps for $69. So I'm gonna get these and put them side by side like so, just like that. They give you some tape to go on them for the reflector tape, so you can be able to see the ramps better and how you want to hit it. So I'm gonna put the red and the white reflector tape on, and they give you stickers. If you look at it in the description, it you place them right in the middle. So I'm just gonna use one. Yeah, it's called, this says Pirate Racing. Pirate Racing, that's what it says right here. But I'm gonna put the link in the description because I saw another name. But there they go, man. We're gonna get them outfitted. I'm gonna grab a couple of cars. This would be your, look how much space you got with your XRT. That's your XRT Mini right there. Look how much space you got. How much room you got on both sides for error, so you don't have to hit it straight. This is my Team Associated Mini 14B. More than enough space for that. My Mini 14B. Let me see something that's decently big. A 10th scale. I'm gonna bring my 10th scale. My Stormbreaker, my SBK from Relarlo. That's a 10th scale. Plenty space for it to hit it. Let me see. What else can we grab that's decently big? I'm gonna put a truggy up here. Here's an 8th scale truggy. Probably still can hit the ramp. Now, it's gonna be a little bit tougher with these because they're wider, but if you see that, look at that. That's an 8th scale truggy right there. And it still can hit the ramp. You gotta hit it perfectly, but you still can hit it. So I would say anything 8th scale buggy and smaller, anything smaller than an 8th scale buggy and smaller, you'll be able to hit this ramp perfectly. So how it's constructed is just, this is just like some plexiglass, and then you have your metal up under the bottom, right there, like so. So I'm gonna send my Mini XRT. I'm gonna definitely send it to the moon, baby. You already know. So I'm gonna pause y'all for a second. I'm gonna get the stickers and the reflectors on, and then we're gonna head to the field. So y'all hold tight. I'll be back with you in 1 second. All right, ladies and gentlemen, they are all together, and we are ready to take this thing for a flight. I think I got them backwards. I think they're supposed to go that way. Yeah, that's the way they're supposed to go. The two long stickers should be to the outside. There you go. There you go, right there, baby. We ready. So I'll see y'all in the field doing backflips. So in a minute.
Stuff, you crazy.
All right, YouTube, took the ramps out. As you can see, they got a little beat up, but they good to go. They sent pretty good. I thought it was gonna send it a little bit higher than we actually did, but it did pretty good. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get me a 2x4 and run it across from one end to the other end and secure it down to the 2x4 so that it give it about this much more lift. So we should get a good little bit more of a lunch, but it did good for the small cars. It's perfect. It's a perfect ramp for anything 12 scale and under. It is the perfect ramp. I think if you try to go 10 scales or maybe like an 8 scale truggy, you're gonna knock them out of the way because they're not really heavy. But all in all, for the mini cars, these are the perfect ramps for $69. You can't beat them. I hope y'all enjoyed the video of me and my brother Brian out with the cars hitting backflips. I appreciate y'all sticking around. Don't forget to watch. Don't forget to like. I'm sorry. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, dislike, whatever you like. YouTube. And I'm in it.